Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 RC question. Before you go through this explanation video, make sure you go through the passage analysis video. That's going to help you understand the nuances of this passage. Now, what does this specific question talk about? It asks you, according to the author, service delivery in Indian education can be improved in all of the following ways except through. So there are four possible ways here highlighted. One of these the author has not stated. The other three can have positive implications for service delivery in Indian education. Let's look at specific context here for identifying the one option that is not going to help us improve service delivery in Indian education. Option number C, recruitment of motivated teachers, directly given here. The key is to hire teachers who want to teach, let them teach, expressing their professionalism and vocation as a teacher through autonomy in the classroom. So having motivated teachers is going to work. Option number B, access to information on the quality of teaching. The author directly states the first step to being part of the solution is to create performance information accessible to those outside of the government. So having access to information is important. A, use of technology. This is the dicey one. The author states at the start of the passage, technology can certainly facilitate this in a variety of ways if it is seen as one part of an overall approach. But the evidence so far in education, for instance, is that just adding computers alone doesn't make education any better. And then he goes on to state the negatives of technology. Remember, he has not said that technology should not be used, but it should be used as one part of an overall approach. The overall approach needs to be fixed, and then technology can contribute positively. Hence, the use of technology can be used in the service delivery in Indian education, just that it has to be part of the overall approach. Now, this leaves us with option number D, elimination of government involvement. At no point in the passage has he stated that there should be no government involvement. He has not stated this. He has not said this, that the government should not be involved. He has, at all given points of time, pointed out the flaws in the government approach, the flaws in the education sector, the flaws in the services sector, private or public. But at no point he says that the government should not be involved. Hence, this is the one thing that is not going to help service delivery in Indian education. If anything, he has suggested that the systems of the government need to improve. So that is the suggestion. So I hope you've understood the question and you've understood the logic and reasoning behind it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.